Are you tired of feeling lost and unsure about your life's purpose? Do you wish there was a simple, yet effective way to discover your true calling? Well, look no further. In this video, we'll reveal 5 powerful steps that will help you uncover your life purpose and create a fulfilling future. You won't believe the difference these simple changes can make. The first step towards discovering your life purpose is self-reflection. Take some time to explore your passions, interests, and values. What activities bring you joy and fulfillment? What are your core beliefs? Reflecting on these questions will give you valuable insights into your true aspirations. To truly understand your life purpose, it's important to step out of your comfort zone and explore new experiences. Engaging in different activities and hobbies allows you to broaden your perspective and discover hidden talents. You never know, you might stumble upon a passion you never knew existed. Failure is not the end, it's the beginning of growth. Embrace failure as an opportunity to learn and improve. Remember, some of the greatest success stories emerged from setbacks. Embracing failure will not only make you stronger but also guide you towards your true life purpose. Inspiration can come from various sources. Seek out mentors, read books, listen to podcasts, or attend seminars that align with your interests. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who have found their life purpose can provide valuable guidance and motivation along your journey. The final step on your path to discovering your life purpose is taking action. It's not enough to dream or contemplate, you must take decisive steps towards your goals. Break them down into manageable tasks, create a roadmap, and celebrate each milestone along the way. Remember, progress is key. Congratulations! You've now unlocked the power to discover your life purpose. By following these 5 simple steps, you have taken the first crucial steps towards a more fulfilling and purpose-driven life. We hope this video has inspired you to embark on this incredible journey of self-discovery. Now, it's your turn to take action. Take a moment to reflect, explore, embrace failure, seek inspiration, and take action. Your life purpose is waiting to be discovered. Thank you for watching this video. If you found the information valuable, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content.